Hi, my name is Faye. I'm from the Arlington Center, and this week's topic is me who hurts others' pride or feelings. I want to tell you, first of all, that I have a special relationship with this topic because when I received it, I had a reaction. And my reaction was asking the question, why did you give me this topic? I don't do that. That's not how I interact with people. My helper just smiled. That's what you call a clue. So when I got in my meditation session, I decided to focus on the me who hurts other people's pride or feelings. I found it. And it is in the finding of that I want to share my story. So my mom called me one day and she was chatting on, and she happened to mention her vacuum cleaner had broken. So I jumped in, ready to solve the problem, and I said, "Hey, Mom, why don't I buy you one?" She was ecstatic. She was so excited. She said, "Oh, okay, that's great." So we did the logistics, figured out how she'd get the vacuum cleaner, how I would pay for it, and a few days later, she had a vacuum cleaner. Several days after that, my dad called me and he said, "Hey, Faye." And I said, "Hi, Daddy, what's going on?" And he goes, "I heard about the vacuum cleaner you got your mom." Well, I was preparing myself to be praised and celebrated. And I said, "Oh, yeah, I did get Mom a vacuum cleaner." And he said, "Well, it hurt my feelings." And I said, "It hurt your feelings?" And he goes, "Yes." He said, "Your mother is my wife, and it is my responsibility to meet her needs and to purchase the things that she requires when she lets me know." And I said, "Okay." Now I got to tell you, before the meditation, I would have defended myself. I would have taken offense to the fact that he said his feelings were hurt. But because of the meditation, and after having experienced the meditation, I was willing to hear his perspective, understand what his feelings were. So what came out of that for me is this habit I have of just jumping in, solving problems in arenas and areas where I have no business jumping in. And it's through this meditation that has been revealed to me. It's through this meditation that my relationships with the people I love and with people I just meet on a casual basis has greatly improved. I have learned the difference between when I'm in the mind world of illusion and self-importance and the problem solver, and when I'm in the true world, the world that we learn about in the meditation, the world that the meditation teaches us how to be grounded and stabilized in. So I just am so grateful for this meditation and the difference it's made in my life and how it has improved my relationships. I thank you for the opportunity to share this story, and I celebrate you and all of us that are in the meditation. Have a wonderful day.